C'est parti! Aujourd'hui, on va essayer l'acrylic pouring. Il y a du pouring medium. Il y a des cups to put the pouring and do the mixing. There are sticks to mix everything. And of course, some things to protect a little bit the area. Okay! It's my first time doing it, so I read a bunch of things. But so far, I'm not really sure how it works, so we'll just see. But basically I read that it should be quite liquidish. My paints are all like thick acrylic, so I will have to add water. Do I have the water here? No! I have to look for the water. And if I want to prevent bubbles, I will just use alcohol to spray on it. I still need to do a bunch of things, like opening this, set this, then do the mixes, bring the water. But let's go! This is a nice setup. I like it. I'm gonna hurt myself. I'm gonna use like 2 of them to put them here so that I can actually place the canvas. I can actually put 4 if I want it to be more stable. One thing that I don't have is gloves. I was supposed to get some, I forgot. Looking good? We ready? Let's get this business done. Let me just get this done so that at least this is already ready. Some people add some silicone oil or something like this in the painting mix for bubble formation. It's not like bubbles that will pop, but they call it cell. Like it creates cell and stuff when you spray. I forgot. I need to get the straw and probably my drying thing. I mean, today I'm probably gonna do it by just hands and see how it works, but yeah. This is isopropyl alcohol, so just to blow the bubbles if we don't want them. I just bought this yesterday, so I might just use it, you know? Okay, let's go. First one is gonna be the white, because the white is gonna be the major one. Actually, I could also do, you know what? We have 2. So we're gonna do 2 of the same, but with major black and major white. So it's probably gonna be interesting. Maybe I should really just put it there and do, oh, we'll see. So let's say it's the same quantity, and then what I read is that we can add water if we want it to be more liquid. Should have gotten the small ones, but this is all an experiment, so we're mixing, and it looks already more liquidish. Not liquid enough to be pouring, honestly, so then I guess I'll just add some water. Okay, this looks like this could be good. Okay, now let's do small ones. So the first one, because I had a request, I'm gonna go to different green shades or shades of green. Whoopsie! It's okay, nothing broke. So I have this shades of green, and I'm probably gonna take a very light one, a very sap green, and one that is more like deep green. Is that even a sap green? I don't know. I'm just making colors up at the moment. Then white and black and gold. This is gonna be messy. So let's try with this green. I'm not gonna put a lot because actually I guess I don't need a lot of them. Still, I feel like I'm putting a lot. So maybe, I mean, actually I'm gonna do 2 of them. Yeah, exactly like this. Okay, 1 for every color. Let's start with the gold. We're gonna mix it until this goes completely gold. I can, of course, add some water, which is probably what I'm gonna do. Whoop. Honestly, let me just add water a little bit everywhere. Great! Amazing! Yes, Sandra. Way to go. Okay, that's enough. I should have got small. Ah! Oh God. This is already very messy. Do we like it? Yes, of course. We love this. So the one that we're gonna do first is called the dirty pouring. So it will be basically just pouring the thing randomly. So I guess we'll start with like this one and go like whatever. Okay, so dirty pouring would be dirty in the sense that it's mostly just turning it in whatever direction you want and hoping it to just, you know, do things like I can show you here. Up, but then that's why I need gloves actually. I understand better because then you can kind of like go try to accentuate whatever, and yeah, you can probably look at it and add things where you feel like it would need. But that's actually very pretty already. Oh my God, this is interesting. I think I'm gonna let that one on the side for the moment. Probably wash my hands and come back for another technique, right? Oh God, that's so interesting. So this is how it looks now. This is like quite interesting. I like it. So after the dirty pouring, there is also another one of the simple techniques. Yeah, that is called cup flipping cup. I don't know. It's something where you put like different layers on a cup and then you flip them, and then you do the same kind of pouring, like tilting and everything, but eventually it's a little less messy, I would say. Same color but reversing roles, more black, and just pour the media in different order. So I will start with like pouring some black, the dark green, the light green, the white, some of this one. So the technique is like, I have my little mix here, but I'm gonna just flip it. Okay, so I'm gonna place it back, and then magic happens, or not. That was really bad. And then I'm just gonna probably flip it somewhere, flip it another. Whoa, that's a lot of gold, man. Okay, now we go back to the other side. But damn, do you see this? I'm having a little bit of issue with this one because I didn't have enough of it, I guess. So what I can do now, look at this. This is pretty. Let me try to flip that as much as I can. Look at this. So what I can do is add a little layer with what I still have. This is amazing. Can you see? I'm impressed. And we're gonna see just the difference in the end between the different techniques. And I love it. Oh my god. Let me wash my hands and I'll do a close-up for you. Ah, this is so cool. I forgot to show you. I'll show you now, actually. So here they are, both of them. Very different, right? Like, interestingly different. Okay, so honestly, just for the consistency, I want to try the other technique with the same colors. Or, wait, no. Who cares about consistency, right? Right? First, let me try to find another canvas and then I'll think about it. So I might just go with different colors and try to do the blowing one. So it's cleaner because there's no like ugly technique of tilting and my fingers getting all dirty, I guess. So it might be better. I might have to hold on to all of the things, so we'll see. So I still have white, gold, and black. I wanted to do like a sky colors when it's like sunset. Yesterday I was watching one that was just so beautiful, like so beautiful. So I want to mimic that. So I'm gonna try to use this one with the black and white and gold, and we'll see. So I need 1, 2, 3. So first step is putting the paint. Oh, you can actually see me, huh? How this works is I'm gonna have to cover basically the whole canvas or most of it with like my own base, right? So my base being the white, let's see. So this is my straw. I need to keep it this way. This is gonna be very random pouring. Oh, this is too liquid. My god, why not? Okay, this is getting interesting. I do not have white anymore. Let me just, you know. What I do have though is still some of the red that I still have. Oh god! My god, my god! A little bit of the blue. I don't know if you can see here the hell that I'm doing, but a lot of like you know what? I like how it is right now. This is precision working here. But no, it's pretty like that. I want to keep it I want to keep it like that. Let's stop. I'm satisfied. Now it's a whole mess, but I'll clean it up. Yeah, let's go. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if I like these ones or not. Okay, so now it changed a bit. It's not dots, it's like more interesting again. Thank you if you watch this. I'm very happy.